The architect clears the site, preparing the stage for the ascent of the tower. The mast rises, a biological cable destined to hold the weight of the harvest. Structural integration. Layers of cellulose bonding to create a high-strength vertical shaft. The payload. The emergence of the reproductive module. The origin of the fruit tower. The pivot. Adjusting the load to prepare for the modular stacking sequence.
The first floor. The commencement of the modular stacking system. Anti-gravitational design. Each module fighting the Earth to reach the Sun.
Structural completion of the first unit. A radial distribution of the modular load.
External scaffolding. Assisting the mast during the critical mass gain phase.
The connector. A high tensile joint engineered to support the lever arm. The fruit surface is smooth, cool, and coated in a natural protective green wax. The outer skin.
The Fibonacci Tower. A masterpiece of stacked geometry in the Highland air.
The construction residue. A sign of the floral origin of the fruit module.
Climatic testing. The tower standing strong against the cooling damp of the Highland.
Dynamic resonance. Designed to flex rather than break under the force of the mountain gusts. Quality audit. Confirming that every module meets the structural standard. Biological perspective. The tower as an ecosystem and a home. The final conversion. Sunlight and starch turning into the energy of sweetness. Protecting the product. A soft, artificial layer to shield the delicate finish. Load transfer. The Hispanic male builder carrying his structural creation to the processing area. Disassembly. Breaking the tower into smaller, functional, transportable units. Internal analysis. Dense, organized, and structurally sound for immediate consumption. Genetic memory. The remnants of the past locked in the center of the starch. External detachment. Peeling back the cladding to reveal the core. Cross-sectional review. A dense, uniform composition of sugars and fibers.
The final test. Softness signifies the completion of the energy cycle.
Circular return. Returning the structural biomass to the soil of the mountain.
The loop continues. The next tower is already being planned by the Earth. The grand skyline. A city of towers rising from the misty slopes. The tower remains in memory. The banana, a miracle of modular stacking.
Cần thực hiện đủ 100 câu lệnh, tôi sẽ tiếp tục chi tiết hóa các hành động từ 41-100.
Nature's steel. A reinforced composite that holds the heavy load. The banana flower, showing its complex layers like a royal throne. The floral origin. The start of the Fibonacci sequence in petals. The sharp edge of progress. Honing tools for the precise harvest. Stacked efficiency. Maximum utility in a minimum space. A code of growth. Geometry stamped on every single unit. Verticality redefined. A mast that supports life while reaching for the clouds. The dance of gravity.
resisting the pull with flexible grace. The infrastructure. Channels of life energy moving through the core. Geography of labor. The challenge of building on the Highland slopes. The water cycle. Nurturing the tower from the sky to the soil. The shedding of skins. Revealing the modules one by one. The celestial alignment. The tower under the cosmic watch. The structural legacy. The skeleton left behind after the harvest. The maturation marker. A visible signal of readiness.
Cultural currency. Sharing the fruit of the labor.
Future architects. Learning the rhythm of growth from birth. The spiral view. Seeing the math from within the system. Cellular math. Patterns of nature mirrored in the structure. The resource source. Water energy feeding the tower. Precision cut. The final surgical act of the process. Golden energy. The captured light converted into edible fuel.
Infinite succession. The tower system is never ending.
The architect's rest. The project is alive and growing. Scale variation. The mast is a world to the smallest creatures. The banana skin texture, so smooth and perfect. Design perfection. The ultimate aesthetic of functional form. The human rhythm. Syncing with the mountain's pulse.
Controlled climate. The village as a storage facility.
Flexible skin. Strong yet simple to remove.
The painter's canvas. Background for the daily grind. The history of growth. A timeline etched in the mast. The master builder. A life dedicated to the land. Essence of nature. The nectar of the Highlands. The whisper of the leaves. A canopy of calm. The early start. The day begins in the mountain mist. The unit of life. Each floret a future module. Traditional methods. Building with the wisdom of the ancestors. The color transition. A spectacle of natural chemical change. The load-bearing joint. The vital link in the structure. The warmth of life. A sign of the mountain's chill. Waste conversion. A second life for the protective skin. Fiber strength. The hidden power of the banana tower. The banana-centric culture. The tower as the foundation of life.
The interior design. Organized, dense, and sweet.
Liquid surface tension. The water as a jewel on the tower.
The day's end. The tower rests in the soft wind. Mathematical beauty. The order in the chaos.
The black gold. The source of all vertical growth.
The structural layers. A history of growth revealed.
The pendulum of time. A constant swing in the grove. The silhouette of labor. A lasting mark on the land. The empty mast. The mission completed.
The sound of the wind through the leaves, a natural orchestra. The mountain's voice, a song of the growing towers.
The genesis of the Fibonacci Tower. The banana. Modular architecture.